Now, first, as you are able to see over here, I will be talking about cell, range of cell, and different things just in order to get a revision of the things that we have already done in grade 7. So, first, we are very much aware about this particular concept that whenever we require to insert a formula, we have to insert on a particular cell and the cell will be working on the data. So as you are able to see, the data that you will use with the formula can be placed in a single cell or a range of cell in the worksheets. So if I want to incorporate or if I want to insert a formula, so the formula can be inserted only on the data. So care has to be taken that your cell contains certain data. There are many ways of inserting the data. I can insert the data in a single cell or I can insert the data in a multiple cells. The value in these cells or range of cells reference are used to evaluate the result. That means whatever data we are putting and whatever formula we are using, depending upon the data and the formula that we are making use of, the result of the formula will be out. Instead of giving individual cell, you can provide a range of cell. Consider the examples. Now, first, I will let you the first example. The cell in column E and row 9 is referred as E9. So, over here, this is a spreadsheet that I have already opened. At the top, you will be able to see the column. The column is E and the row it is 9. So if I select this particular part, you will be clearly able to see that I have selected E9. So when I selected E9, it is that I'm selecting a single cell only. Done. Now if I select certain other cell, you will be clearly able to see over here it is F6. I'm just increasing it so that it is visible to all of you now. F6, you will be able to see over here F6 it is there. Now a range of cell. How to select a range of cell? Suppose if I select from A to F10, you will be able to see over here a range of cell have been selected, that is A1 to A10. Done. One more time. Now, if I'm selecting certain other range, suppose if I select only C and D, so you will clearly be able to see over here from C1 to D10. So this is called as the range of the cell. Now, the range of cell in row 10 and column D through H is. Now, I will be selecting D10 to H10. So first, where is D10 over here? D10 to H10. This is the next range of cell that I'm selecting over here. That is, either I'm able to select certain cells or combinations of rows and columns or a single row. But when I'm selecting a single row, remember that columns are automatically selected because whenever I'm talking about a cell is a combination of a row and a column. Now over here, if I select a single row, you will clearly be able to see over here that is show 2 from here. And if I select C and D, so if I select C and if I select D, entire C and entire D, you will be able to see over here that I have selected C colon D. That means entire cells of column C and column D have been selected.